Hey friends, so this is the part where we're going to be adding some modifiers on the particle system. We're going to do this one step at a time. Just going to open over here, select the bottom neck fur. What I'm talking about over here, if you go to the particle system, hide this and just open the children. Under children, right now we're looking at 10, but that's fine. That's for the render threshold. Put this as 0.3. This controls threshold for the length. See over here, put that at 0.5. So it won't have the same length, which kinda helps with realism. So there's parting. These are all the effects that you can add on the children. I like parting, so it parts all the fur. So this is doing everything on every fur. Be careful of that. I'm gonna use roughness, not the curve, and you can play around with these. 6 like that. Size and point. Increase that endpoint again, and some randomness, but not on all of them, so increase that threshold, probably 0.5. No, 0.2. Yeah, looks about right. We're still gonna increase those steps. Right now it looks like jaggy. So go down to your viewport display, put this to 3. It works. In the render, it's set at 3, I believe. Where you at? Muscle. B-spline. Thank you. Set at 3. So we have that for this. Pretty much basic. Like once you do the rendering, you can be able to see everything. But for now, it looks fairly nice. I want to move on to the next one. Go back to the particle system again. Let's change. Go to the tail. Just go as I can. Control S to save that, and go to children and interpolate. That's fine. I'm giving it a length of 0.5. No, Adrian, you're not right. Threshold of 0.2. 9.6. Some of them, not like half, almost half of them, or a different length. Same process. Ooh, that's cool. It's not cool. Endpoints. Let's go to viewport display again and increase that to 3. Okay, go back to children. The threshold 0.5. And decrease this endpoint. And that gives it that look and texture. Look at that. Once we increase those steps, go back to viewport display. Look at this. If I turn this to 4, wow, crazy. That's just crazy and nice. But I'm gonna dial this down just for us to get more performance. So let's just adding subdivisions. So the threshold increase, as I decrease, more will be affected. I normally just do half of it, and I'll probably turn the size down, probably by 0.6. Ooh, that's not right. Just increase the size, looks about right now. And that's it for the tail. Control S. Let's go to top neck, one of my favorite. Let's open it over here. Check this box to open it, and we put display, put it at 3. Again 0.5, 0.2. Okay, so 0.25. Cool. And then I'm gonna go to the roughness. This is, and here I'm gonna use clumping. Clumping just joins these together. I normally set this at 1. Then there's probably a negative value because it looks nice. And then I'm gonna use some noise. Not too much, endpoint a bit. I like it because yeah, you can see it updating live, and add some randomness. Increase that, then change the threshold to 0.3. or 0.4. I think 0.2 was right. 0.3, yeah. Some of it will have it, some of it won't have that roughness, which kind of helps with creating believable creatures. So that's it for the top neck. Control S, and then I'm gonna go to the next one, which is the legs. Open that bad boy and go down to viewport display. Probably give it a 3 because we can. Go to children, change it into 0.5, 0.2, not to affect everything. Just give it that variance. And also I'm just clumping at 1. See? Looks nice. Just increase the shape. Not too much, probably like 0.5. Like that. Endpoint roughness. And add some randomness. Because I can. And 0.5 the threshold. Almost like half of it. Just increase that 0.2. Yeah, say 0.3. Just increasing those segments, this will help a lot. But for now, I think this is fine for me. It is working. Let's just turn these on. Like that. And then the last one, the body fur. This doesn't need a lot. Just some roughness going on. I'll probably just play around with the length or so, 0.6 and then 0.2, and then just add some randomness. Dial that down. Threshold 0.2. Not like all of them, some of them. So we have that on our creature. So that's it for the particles effect modifiers. Just a basic clump and roughness noise for our model. And again, thank you guys for your time, and I will see you guys in the next one.